Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Just the basics. So first let me show you how to navigate the system on your watch. We have rather few buttons right here. The upper button on the left is the light button, and it wakes up the screen, or if you press and hold it, it opens the controls menu. And here you have different shortcuts for different stuff like do not disturb mode, power saving mode and stuff like that. This button right here, lower right button, it's a back button. You can press it to go back in the menu. The middle button on the left, if you press and hold it, it opens the menu. And if you press it, it opens the notification panel. The button on the left, the lower left button, it opens the glances if you press it. And if you press and hold it, it opens the music controls basically. The start button opens the favorites or activities menu. Here we have the list of favorites, and then you can tap on activities to start a workout. And like I said before, this button is just a back button. Okay, to open the settings on your watch, you need to open the menu first by pressing and holding the top button. And scroll down and tap on watch settings. And here we have settings for our watch. To turn on do not disturb mode, open the controls menu by pressing and holding the right button, find the do not disturb mode icon, and then you can tap on it or press the button, the start button, to turn it on or turn it off. What else? To change the watch face, you need to open the menu by pressing and holding the button. Select watch face, and here you have the list of watch faces. By default you will have only one, but you can tap on add new. Scroll through the list, find the watch face you want to add, then press the upper button, and if you go back to the watch face menu, the watch face now, my bad, I tapped on it by mistake. Watch face now will be on the watch face list, and you can tap on it to select it and apply it. If you want to, for example, turn off your watch, you can press and hold the left upper button to open the controls menu, select the power off, and then confirm by pressing the start button and confirm again. And the watch will turn off. And if you want to turn on your watch, you can press and hold the upper button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Like this. And now we can wait until the watch is done booting up, which will take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and we're back after the boot up. What else? You can also press and hold the start button to open the voice controls, and for example you can say enable do not disturb mode. And it should turn on the do not disturb mode. Let's see if it did. It didn't. Sometimes it's a bit wonky. Let's try again. Enable do not disturb mode. This time it worked, and you can also disable it that way. Disable do not disturb mode. Like this. It could be useful if you like voice commands. And I believe that's, oh no, not all. I'm gonna also show you how to restart the watch. So to restart the watch, press and hold the light button, the upper left button, and keep holding it until you see the Garmin logo on the screen, which takes about, I would say 10 seconds, maybe 15. So press and hold the button, keep holding it, and once you see the Garmin logo, release it. In case you don't see the Garmin logo for a longer period of time, you can always release the button and press and hold it again, because it's possible the watch will turn off, and then you can turn it back on by pressing the button like this. And once it's done booting up, I'm gonna come back to you. Okay, and we're back. And I forgot to mention the functions of the up and down buttons. Basically, when you open the menu on your watch, you can also use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu, and the start button to confirm, and like I said before, a few times back button to go back. So I forgot to mention that about these buttons. Okay, and I believe that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.